Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces. So this is weekly reading from December 28 to Jan 3rd. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. And this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. So Pisces, what are the messages for you? Pisces, water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Some of you are dealing with Aquarius. You are on 5, Pisces. Some of you are dealing with Capricorn, its sign. Okay. Under the deck, 5 of Wands, Queen of Swords, Page of Pentacles, 9 of Swords. Something is disturbing you a lot. Yes. You are thinking about something or someone a lot. Lot of overthinking is going here, Pisces. Some communication or some apology is coming. And you have so many ideas in your mind and you want to put your ideas into actions. And you're taking your power back, or you want to take your power back here, Queen of Swords. And you're setting boundaries. And you're very straightforward and very honest. Yeah, because a lot of drama is going. You don't want this unnecessary drama. That's why you're setting boundaries. And some of you, maybe you decided to cut off someone from your life also. Sometimes you are very blunt. So let's see our reading. Recent past, Judgment, Star and 8 of Pentacles. Recent past, there is wish fulfillment. Your wishes fulfilled and you made a right decision and you totally focused on your career. 8 of Pentacles. Yes, you are working hard towards your goals. Maybe some of you already achieved your goal. Yes, I think everything was okay in recent past. I am not seeing any negative. Then present 7 of Wands, 4 of Pentacles and 3 of Pentacles. Right now, you are in a defensive mode and you are going after what you want. That's why you're playing both defensive and offensive here. And you are holding back emotionally. And you're just focusing on your work. And you're just determined towards your goal. Yes, your determination and hard work will reach to your goal. And you know there are some obstacles in your journey. And you're ready to face. Yes. All set here. Then future, the Fool, the Devil and 2 of Wands. I think you will enter into a new phase of your life. You will explore more options. And you will know about yourself more in that journey. Maybe your fears, maybe your addictions. Definitely in future you will feel some fear regarding someone or something, or you will feel stuck. And 2 of Wands, you have to make some decision, but you are confused and you are thinking about something or someone a lot. Lots of you are in long distance relationship. I think some of you are very close to achieving your goal, big goal. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions, Pisces. 8 of Wands with 6 of Wands. Wow. Very, very positive energy. Lots of communication is coming. And there is also some change is coming. And they want success in this relationship. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Pisces, water sign. their intentions. Judgment, King of Swords, Nine of Cups, and Ten of Wands, and the Magician. Right now, your person feeling overburdened. For some, their emotions are running high, but they want to leave this burden aside. Definitely, they want to share something with you, and they're wishing, they're praying for this connection. And King of Swords with Judgment. Definitely, your person is in the process of making decision here. Maybe they are not discussing with you, but they're planning something big here. Yeah. So the current feelings, Ace of Cups, Eight of Cups, and Two of Wands. So I want clarification card for Eight of Cups. Why Eight of Cups is here? Some of you are dealing with Leo. Yes. So they want to leave behind like disputes, arguments, and want a fresh new start with you. And they do love you. Their love towards you is overflowing, and they're thinking about you a lot. Yes. Maybe for this relationship, they have to make some sacrifices or decisions here. Definitely, they're thinking about you very seriously. Pisces, and their intentions, Ace of Wands, Knight of Swords, and Five of Wands. Maybe there is some competition also. So they have a lot of passion and attraction, and they're rushing to communicate with you, and they are on fire. For some, if there is no movement in your relationship, definitely there is a fast change is coming, big change, and it is coming very fastly. And Five of Wands, yeah, still there is some drama is going, but things will get better. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed. A lot of fire energy. Some of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. A lot of fire energy. Two cards I'm not taking. Cards are flying. Yeah, they're wishing, they're praying for this connection. You are their wish fulfillment. Yes, this person is crazy over you. So let's see, what about you? I think you're taking your power back here, Pisces. Maybe they did hurt you in past. You still have that pain in your heart. You're still carrying that pain with you. So Justice, maybe they're coming back for second chances. Maybe some of you are taking your power back. Maybe decided to cut off this person. You are focusing on your money. You're focusing on your celebration. Maybe for some third party involved in this relationship, that's why you're juggling here. Some of you, maybe very few will give second chance, but I am seeing you are taking your power back here. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome. Then we get clarity. But lots of communication is coming. Yes, definitely you're taking your power back, but they're going to communicate with you. Yeah, no decision making. They're coming back with an offer, but you're taking your power back. You are at some crossroads. You're taking your power, and they're wishing, they're praying for this connection. Some of you decided to walk away, guys. Yes, it's a message. Yes, it is one type of ending. Maybe for them, it's too late. I'm sorry, guys, this is the message here. Some of you, maybe a brand new person is entering in your life, a new love offer. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. It is one type of ending, what I'm saying here. Maybe you disturbed emotionally a lot in past. That's why you're not allowing this person second time. I fantasize about you. Reunion is coming. Text is coming. Oh my God. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Pisces. A time for healing. So for those who are going through a lot emotionally, this is the time for healing. It's time to release negativity, full moon in Scorpio. So if you are thinking about someone or something a lot negatively, this is the message for you. You have to release all the negativity in you and negative thoughts also. And don't let pride get in your way, full moon in Leo. Some of you are dealing with Leo. So don't show your attitude or pride to anyone, and take time to breathe out. So if you're doing continuous hard work, or if you're doing continuously something, so this is the message for you. Take a break from that. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.